Hello guys. So today we're
Asha,
gonna
no,
be
wait. Today, before we start the video, I just wanted to sort of take a moment to talk to each other and just because I really have been meaning to say this, but I just really admire your confidence. You know, it's just so amazing the way you're out there, just so confident. You don't really care about what you wear or what you look like. You don't even wear makeup. Just great. You know what I mean, right? Just
uh
so SEC hai. You just chill like that. You don't really care. I love that. I wish I had that sort of confidence. Wear whatever you want, no makeup. Just post whatever, just say whatever, and just it's amazing. It's so bold, it's so out there. It's just unique fashion sense also.
thank you, I
Yeah.
guess.
No, I mean it is a compliment. Right? You know what I
Haha.
mean, right? It just looks so different.
I'm not like other girls.
Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, you don't care. It's amazing. How do you do that?
Hi everyone, this is Shrini.
This is Shreya.
Welcome to Yappuccino.
Yappuccino is a place where we sit, have coffee, and talk about anything and everything that's on our minds and gossip a little bit.
Let's start our Yap sesh. I hope you enjoy the video.
Bye.
So that was something. I think we just need to switch the topic and talk about backhanded compliments for this video now.
My comments were not backhanded. My compliments were genuine compliments.
Are you sure about that? You
I
are not
thought
like
they
other
were.
girls. You don't care what you wear. You don't put makeup. You're bold. Those are not.
Bold is a positive adjective, no?
No,
Oh, wait.
the way you said it.
I mean, yeah, I get that.
So, as per my understanding, backhanded compliments are something which the person, the one who's giving the compliment, they think they are saying it in a genuine way, but it's usually to sort of put the other person down in an indirect way. Is what I feel a backhanded compliment is. Like one of the most popular compliments in which I saw on Instagram, which I used to think earlier was a compliment, and then I realized it's not a compliment, is when girls would be posting outfit pics and there would be comments saying, "Oh my god, you're so confident. I love that." And it's always like, what do you mean by that?
Yeah.
Like earlier, I definitely used to think it was a compliment. Ki, oh, you're so confident. That's a good thing to say,
Yeah.
But then you realize that they mean it in a very condescending way. That oh, you're so confident. You can wear that out in public, but it could never be me.
Yeah.
Have you ever been complimented in that way?
No, I totally get that. And backhanded compliments, I think one more thing that I think most of the people subconsciously realize that they are saying something with a negative intent. It's not like they're completely oblivious to what they sound like. They mean it to sound like that a little bit.
Yeah.
They want to tell you that, oh, you look great, your makeup looks great, but for you. Or your outfit looks great, but for you.
Someone like you.
Yeah,
True.
so I think the intent is definitely there. They try to hide it behind the compliment, but I think most people are very aware of what they sound like, and I think very rarely. And if someone is not realizing what the compliment is, or maybe they're just using a generic compliment and they don't think they're not doing it with the intention of hurting or sort of having an ulterior motive behind it, then I think that's a very rare case where people don't realize that.
I think one of the most common ones is when a girl has changed her makeup, like maybe she stopped putting kajal.
Oh my god, I have heard that so
and you look, they
much.
just say it
Are
in
you
such a
sick? What happened?
You look
sleep?
tired.
Were you crying all night?
Yeah.
It has happened. I'm not wearing kajal today, and I was thinking if I should wear it or not, but I was like, no. But it is so common, and
True.
I had this whole era where I would just wear kajal like every day, and then I just kind of stopped wearing it because I just didn't like it. It was too much hassle. It would get all smudged the next day. Then after for months, people asked me, "Oh, you look different," and I just didn't want to say it. I was just like,
Yeah, I mean, I'm honestly guilty of that. I've said it to my friends who regularly wear kajal and then they don't.
And I get as a third person, you might not be able to figure out what is the difference. You just because it does make a difference physically, but I think maybe we definitely need to have that sort of awareness and just sort of basic memory of what this and that before and after thing.
I think my version of the kajal is the clothes I wear. Although I don't wear very bold clothes or something very different, I would say, but still, it's just a little more than the basic black.
It's not a basic t-shirt and a jeans.
Yeah, it's not that. So sometimes my friends are like, oh, I like how you're wearing that. Or sometimes they're not even trying to say it as a backhanded compliment. They're like, oh, why you dress like homeless? And I'm like, what?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think that even is a compliment. But yeah, one time I wore these silver sandals and they were like, oh wow, I could never wear them, pulling them off.
Yeah, and
I'm like,
I had a pair of golden like shimmery flats. And I was
yeah.
like, oh my god. You know, it's kind of annoying, but
It
you
is,
can't
it is.
really like, you know. I think if you're very close friends, then it can also be like a joke because you know,
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
oh yeah,
yeah.
you know, haha, you know, but it's very rare.
I think, but there are also people disguise these compliments as being brutally honest at times.
Oh, like you, I'm keeping it real. I'm honest like
Yeah.
that, which is just, I mean, I'm pretty sure I would have done it also at some point.
Yeah, yeah. I mean,
you
I think we
know,
all have.
yeah, like, oh, you know, I'm just telling you the truth. You know, you want me to lie to you?
Yeah.
You know, I'm your friend. You know, if मैं नहीं बताऊंगी तो कौन बताएगा? Which is
True.
like, yeah, whatever.
But I only get it with close friends. But I
Like, very
think what
close
is happening on the internet, that's borderline bullying at this point.
yeah. Oh, have you seen Arjun Kapoor's
Oh my
comment
God.
section? I'm not a Arjun Kapoor fan at all.
But I feel
and
bad for him.
It's so
Like,
insane.
Two States is like one of my favorite movies, and
Yeah.
it has like it's his film. So I feel bad ki oh bichara.
I mean, I have no opinion on him. Like,
Yeah,
a couple of his
actually.
movies are alright, but I'm not like a fan. I don't
Or
even
a
know what
hater
he's up
even.
to. I just know a couple of his, like Ishaqzadeh and that Two States. That's it. But it's so funny.
But
Like, it's so
people are so creative.
they're
People
so
get-
creative with
The
their comments.
backhanded compliments are so creative.
Yeah,
Like it's
not even a
insane.
backhand. It's just a fucking like it's not even a
Yeah.
backhanded compliment.
Oh,
at
nice
all.
hidden talent. Keep it
It
hidden.
hidden.
So yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah.
But yeah, backhanded compliments. I think one of the most common ones I've seen is when there's a pretty girl and they're like, "Oh, you're beauty with brains."
Oh,
That's a
man.
very common one.
Yeah.
You know?
That's not just backhanded compliment, that's just like misogynistic and just
Yeah,
stupid.
true, but
like
beauty
you are
with
pretty.
brains.
Why or maybe it's someone like really smart or or maybe someone who's just not linked to like dressing up every day and then she'll like wear like an outfit.
Oh.
My god, I didn't know you look like this.
Yeah,
Oh my god, it's not really you.
True.
Which is like so pathetic.
Or one of the most common ones is also when people say to the girl child that, oh, you're like a son to us, or you are, there's one more common saying कि आप हमारी बेटी जैसी हो, something.
Yeah.
So that is also
Or
pretty.
maybe when some guy is like, oh, they see some pretty girl and they're like, oh, wife material. I'm like, go kill yourself. Like, no way.
True. So that is true.
Yeah, it's
And
just too annoying.
It's just borderline condescending at this
Yeah.
point. And I mean, I don't know, how do you identify it? Like what if someone is genuinely trying to be genuine but they say it in a backhanded?
Yeah.
Because even I've seen a lot of people don't have those conversation skills.
I know.
Like even when they are genuinely apologizing at times, they'll be like, oh, I'm sorry, but I didn't mean to, I didn't intend to. But then that's not an apology, kind
Right,
of.
I know.
So that's the same way with backhanded compliments. Like how do you really
Because
identify
people try to put their own opinions on it. Ki, oh, even if I see someone, for example, I'm like, oh, I love your outfit. But maybe you should have worn like a red scarf instead of a yellow one. You could have
Yeah.
just ended it with I love your outfit.
True.
Like, you don't
true.
need to add your own thought and opinion. Maybe say it like 10 minutes later when you're done with. If you say it along with a compliment,
It just
negates the compliment.
Yeah,
Like,
true.
say it. Oh, by the way, I was thinking you can also pair this with a yellow scarf.
true.
Like, you have to mix everything and then make the other person.
And
feel
that doesn't
That's
mean that you're
basic.
not, you're not being yourself or you're not being honest.
That's just basic social
Courtesy,
skills.
yeah,
Basic
that's
civil
basic.
sense,
Yeah, true. I mean, an ideal compliment would be the one where you don't compare, you don't over explain yourself, you sort of are not surprised ki, oh, I like how you have done. Like, there's no element of surprise and it's just genuine from the heart type.
Yeah, like you don't have to be like, oh my god, I didn't know your hair looks like that.
For someone like you is one of the common
yeah,
ones.
Yeah. Someone like you is like, triggering.
Yeah.
Like,
What do you mean, someone like you?
yeah, like what?
And
What
I'm
is
not
that?
like other girls is another. That's like a very self in self backhanded compliment.
Yeah, like even girls are like, oh, I'm
I'm not
not
like
like
other
other
girls.
girls. Like girl, you
True.
wish you
You
were.
wish.
You wish you were. And like, obviously, and because that's also because people don't understand. Like it's a common social media terminology, so people don't have like the context. Not everyone might have the
Yeah.
context and the origins of that particular phrase, right? Language transcends and people sort of make their own meaning. That is understandable.
Yeah.
But I think just like I've seen so much content around it.
Okay. What if I just ask you a few compliments and then you tell me if you think they're backhanded or
Okay,
not?
okay, perfect.
So, you're not just a pretty face.
Yeah, that's very backhanded because you assumed that I was dumb till now.
Yeah. Okay. She's very career oriented, but she puts her family first.
She's very career oriented, but she puts her family first. That's just a first of all false, like very triggering statement because I hate when people do that. But I think that's not a compliment in any sense. I don't think so. That's not
It's a backhanded compliment that you're implying that she's career oriented, but she's homely enough to.
like I
put
don't
her
think it's a
family.
compliment in career. I just don't think it's a compliment at all.
True.
Like I
true.
would be offended if someone says that. I'm like, what do you mean?
Yeah.
Just say I'm good at my job, or just say that I care about. Why do you have to like? How are they connected?
Again, comparison is not needed.
Yeah.
You speak a lot, but you're dil ki achhi ho.
I hate that. Like it's so annoying, and it's a very common trope, especially if you see these old Bollywood movies.
Yeah.
Like the gossipy girl, the gold of heart,
Like the bubbly girl.
yeah, and
Ki
that classic
pakad
Anushka
pakad.
Sharma character. But like I really don't like
Yeah.
that. Yeah, and they're not connected again. Just a trope.
Yeah. You're pretty logical for being a girl.
That is insane. That's a terrorist attack.
Or maybe the other way around, you're pretty emotional for a guy.
Oh yeah.
Can
or
be
maybe
like that.
it's okay if you're emotional. I mean, you're a girl. The expectation.
Like if you've done some work and someone says, this is surprisingly good.
Yeah.
What
I
do
was
you mean
surprised.
surprisingly?
Yeah, and that has
It's
happened
just
so many
good.
times. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's happened like a million times.
Huh.
Say something basic and they're like, oh my god, wow.
Another
Just because
common
you
one.
don't know, you don't have the capacity to think of it.
Yeah.
You're surprised that someone else can
Yeah.
think of the basics. But yeah.
Another common one. Oh, you have lost so much weight. You look so much better now.
Oh yeah.
Is it a compliment or is it?
But it's
It also depends on what stage the person
and
is
what
at.
have they
their goals
actually
in life.
lost it or not. Like if someone has very
That's true.
obviously
That's
like
true.
if they've gone from like for example 100 kgs to 60 kgs,
Then it's
If-
like, oh my god, great
yeah,
job.
yeah, and then it's also evident, so you have the right to comment on it.
Yeah.
Like even if it's not a close person, you can see like physical difference.
Yeah.
You can be like, oh, you look different. You can say it in many ways. But if it's like if you feel, if you're unsure, just don't say it. Why do you want to comment on someone's body?
Also, it depends, like, if that person is even trying, like, if they're not trying to lose weight and you say, and they're just like confused.
Conscious. Oh,
Yeah,
maybe I should.
Yeah.
Maybe someone has been trying a lot and they're not losing it, and then they're like, like.
I mean, it depends. A lot of people do see it as a positive, also, like a lot of aunties type thing.
Yeah.
They see it as a compliment because they're
No,
like,
if someone says that to me, I will get annoyed because
Yeah.
I'm not trying to do it, and you are coming to me and instigating this thought. I'm going to throw whatever I have in my hand.
yeah. In
Like-
fact, nowadays this rage bait is a very popular thing, and a lot of times I see these Insta reels which like how to rage bait a man, and it's just saying backhanded compliments
Yeah.
because the men are dumb enough to get it.
Oh, if you were strong, I would
Yeah.
ask you to lift it.
Yeah.
If you were athletic, if you
Yeah.
were, what sport would you play? Yeah, but I would love to do that intentionally.
Yeah,
to people. I'd be
yeah,
like,
yeah.
if you were athletic, what sport would you play? If you were smart, what job would you be doing instead?
Yeah, that's
But yeah,
true.
that'd be fun to do, definitely.
Yeah.
But
So-
yeah, I
Mhm.
think the thing is, it's fun like when you say it out loud as a meme. But when it happens to someone like real life, someone you thought you were was a friend, and they come and say something that just triggers you. It can lead to like so much overthinking, so much stress, so much you can question your whole dynamic. That oh my god, does this person even know me? Or why am I friends with people? Like it can
Yeah.
lead to so many things, and just lead to like loss of self confidence, or just self worth. Like
Like even if you're saying it as a joke sometimes, and you know it's not a compliment, and you know you're intentionally giving a backhanded
Hmm.
compliment, but you're thinking that you're saying it as a joke.
Yeah.
But your friend or the person you're saying it to,
Yeah.
if you say it too often, they would get like it would be ingrained in their head
Yeah.
that why does she think of me
And the
like
problem
that?
is that even if I'm thinking of it as a joke, the other person might not like take it, and
Yeah.
you might not have the relationship that you think. Like a joke about some sensitive topics is a luxury to have, right?
Yeah.
You can't say it to anyone,
True.
which is a lot of things that people don't like really realize, that how they need to sort of conduct
Yeah, I mean you
themselves.
need to be sure that you have that equation with
Yeah.
someone, and you should know that okay, they will not get offended by this. If they're getting offended, then that means you're not at that equation
That's
probably.
a misjudgment.
Yeah, that's a misjudgment on your part then.
Yeah.
And
But I think backhanded compliments are definitely very condescending, like 99% of the time.
yeah,
Very
obviously.
patronizing, and it's why do people do it? Like I just want to answer this one question.
Huh.
Is it like because of their own insecurity, or is it something that, for example, if I see someone and I'm like, oh, you've done so good makeup, am I associating makeup with that person because I associate that person with their looks? Maybe it's a very conventionally attractive person or a conventionally unattractive person. But what it reflects is that their looks is a big part of how I see them.
Yeah.
Right. I mean, like if that is the first thing I notice, maybe if I
True.
notice what they're doing at work, I equate them with their work. Like some people, you ask them, you meet a friend, oh, you know who you're dating. That's the first question you ask them. Maybe with other person, it's like, oh, what are you working on? That
Yeah,
you
so
know,
you'll be like, do you only equate me with some drama which I
Yeah.
bring from my dating life?
yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah, and this is how basically you can judge on like how others are sort of perceiving you, or what sort of thing. And you don't need to do that. No one needs to know
Yeah.
what. But I'm just saying that reflects on the person. Like that essentially is the insecurity and the thought process of the person that they are associating you
But
with.
it's not really that difficult to be a decent person, I feel. Like, you don't need to start a conversation with who you are dating. You can just be like, hi, how are you? How have you been?
Yeah.
It's just basic human decency to say the right things and
Yeah.
not being brutally honest every time.
Yeah.
You don't have to do that unless
Yeah.
they're like your closest friends, maybe.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
obviously, you're not close with everyone.
Yeah.
So you need to draw that line, and it's okay if you're not being brutally honest all the time. It's
Yeah.
okay. It's fine, I think.
Yeah. I know. So there's this one person who asks me every time I talk to them, oh, when are you getting married?
Oh,
Literally every time. And I'm just like, and I've told that person a million times that I have no such plans. I mean, like, why? But it just reflects that what's on their mind instead
yeah.
of what's,
So maybe they're projecting their
they
thing
are
onto
just
you.
probably, whatever it is.
Maybe they have that pressure, or maybe
Yeah.
if someone
Like,
asks
and
them
that's
the
not
same
even the
question.
first thing. It's always the first thing. Like,
Yeah.
like I'm just like, we've had this conversation every time, every 1 week. Why are you asking me? It's insane.
Yeah,
But
true.
but I think backhanded compliments officially are a form of bullying.
Yeah.
Or maybe if it's not bullying, it's just pettiness. It's just a reflection on that person and their sort of
Yeah.
shitty social skills, conversational skills, and because we don't have any mechanism to learn it, right? I mean, like, to be honest, if you've grown up in an urban city and everything, you might have more access to like more people, but a lot of people don't have that. They just don't have people to talk to, and especially now with the online like internet, we rarely talk to like real humans anymore. So where will you practice your social skills?
True.
Where will you do that? I think that's
But
also
also,
becoming
I
a big
think
challenge.
the internet has taught me what backhanded compliments are. Like, the initial one I started with, that you're confident. I used to think it's a compliment. But then a few years later, the internet it started telling me that it's not a
Yeah, I know.
compliment. And I was like,
Obviously,
oh, shit, that makes sense.
I know. Obviously, you can learn a lot from it. What
Yeah.
I'm saying is that you don't talk to other people.
Actual
Yeah.
people.
So it's very difficult. Like building social skills is much more difficult now.
Yeah, that's true.
People used to talk to everyone. What might take me like a year to learn, like in a social environment, might take like a person now like 3 years, because they just don't interact with people as
Yeah.
much. Social skills also need to be like practiced in everything, right?
Like, definitely, when I was in college, I used to meet people every day, and I think
Yeah.
I had much better social skills.
I agree.
And
Me
right
too.
now, it's just like, what do I even
Yeah,
say?
exactly.
So that definitely
Yeah.
has an impact on
Yeah.
how you say
And
things
you need to
people.
practice that. Trust me. Just like talk to the camera if you don't.
Yeah.
Like I think it's very important to do that.
True.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, I think that's about it. That's pretty much what we're thinking on.
Backhanded compliments.
Yeah. And just try to avoid, like, if you, even if you feel like you've said it accidentally, just be like, oh, I'm so sorry, I didn't mean it like that.
Yeah.
Sometimes it happens when you say it and you're just like, oh shit,
Oh,
I
shit,
didn't
what
mean
have I
it.
said?
What, maybe my
Yeah.
tone was wrong. Just be like, oh, I didn't mean it to sound like that. Just say that.
Yeah.
That's
And
okay.
let us know what's the worst backhanded compliment you've ever received.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
let's see.
Definitely. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.